Hi, my name's Rob Cockerham, and I want to show you a bunch of crash videos. Instructional crash videos. This summer I went downtown Sacramento, and I asked people to show me their car accidents on a little model roadway with little model cars, and a lot of people did it. I had a lot of volunteers because people like to talk about their car accidents. And I'm putting them together into categories as a learning tool for new drivers and old drivers looking to avoid car accidents. I got a bunch of them. I got more than 200 car accident stories, and I've put them into categories. The first one I'm going to tell you about is the kind of car accident where it's in an intersection like this, and one car is stopped waiting for the light to change on the intersection, and another car comes from behind and smashes into the back of them, rear-ending them. Sometimes this happens because the car in the back is on a slick roadway because it just rained. Sometimes it's dark and they don't see the car in front of them, or they're coming down off of a hill and they don't have a good view of the car in front of them until they've hit it. Sometimes the car in the back is looking at a green light and they're not focused on the car in front of them, they're focused on the light and they just try to go right through that car. Sometimes the car in front is stopped unexpectedly because the car is disabled, or sometimes they are waiting to turn left and the car behind them doesn't notice they're not going anywhere. Sometimes they're waiting to turn right. Sometimes the car behind is distracted by something happening over on the side of the road or in a different car. In one of the videos you'll see that the car behind was distracted by their friend waving to them. And in another one they're distracted by a candlelight vigil on the side of the road and they stop paying attention to what they're doing. So don't do this. Be careful to avoid this kind of accident. This is, again, it's rear-ending a car at an intersection, at a red light or a stop sign. And I'm calling this accident type 1.
I was taking off from the parking lot.
Yeah.
So when I took off, I had a little bit more space than you can see right here, obviously.
Yeah.
And I speed up from the middle line up to like 40 miles an hour. And the guy, it was a green light, and he was standing over there.
Okay.
So when I hit him in the back, I didn't even brake.
Oh.
Because I look at the stoplight, I didn't look at him. I thought that everybody's moving because there was no car. So when I hit him, his car flies on his brakes, he slides all the way to this side through the intersection. I stopped right here, my car was crashed completely.
Yeah.
So I walked to him and he was trying to close his trunk or something like that, and then he jumped in the car, he tried to start the car, but the car wouldn't start. And then when it's like, I keep asking him like, hey, are you okay, I hit you, it's my fault.
Yeah.
He just said like, yeah, I'm fine. He just, when obviously his car started, he just took off with his car. And
Wow.
I left in the middle of the thing, so I just jump in my car, I pick up all the...
Pretend this is my car.
Okay.
And let's pretend this is a left-hand lane and this is a straight lane.
Okay.
She thought she was going straight and rear-ended me at a dead stop trying to go left. So
that sucks.
45 mile an hour bender.
Wow.
I was just sitting there,
Just waiting.
just waiting to go left, and next thing I know,
Awesome.
she thought she was going straight. So that was my accident.
Perfect. What's your name?
Justin,
Justin. Thank you.
no problem.
Yeah. No, it was loose.
Okay, we were stopped at a red light,
Okay.
so I'll just move him back there.
Okay.
Okay, I was in a little tiny car, a Hyundai,
Okay.
and he was in a van.
Okay.
So that's kind of good. And I slammed on the brakes. I mean, I pushed my brakes hard because I saw him not stopping, and he just, bam, hit us like that, and my whole back end had to be redone because of it.
You were waiting at a stoplight?
I was waiting at a stoplight.
Perfect story.
Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
What's your name?
Della.
Della. Thank you.
On the car behind me,
Okay.
wasn't paying attention, so couldn't stop and hit me in the rear end. Yeah, that's what happened.
Right on. Perfect. So how you were waiting at a red light?
Stop sign.
Stop sign. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you. What's your name?
Nelson.
Nelson. Thank you.
And your name?
Robert.
Robert. It's meeting you. Have a good day.
So, let's say this is about me. I got a 2010 Dodge Avenger.
Okay.
That's about right. Okay. So I'm pulled up to this stop sign. This lady she's texting. She's in like a SUV. And she bam.
Piece of cake?
Yeah,
Awesome. That's all I need.
that's what she did.
Was disabled.
Okay.
This car smashed into that car,
Okay.
and I hit that car.
Because you couldn't stop in time.
Correct.
Oh, right on.
Or
Raining. It was
Why
raining.
wouldn't you want to be this car?
Disabled car in the middle of the intersection.
Yes.
Okay,
Why wouldn't you want to be this one?
our most recent car accident.
Wait, let me stop the tape and start over again.
Okay, let me.
Start over. So this is you,
Yes.
and you're at a stop sign with a red light?
Yes.
Or, okay, red light.
And it just came and hit me.
Ah, perfect.
And he said it was my fault.
Nope.
And then I said, you hit me. And he said, no. Called me names. Just wash your car. And I was like, you hit me and you're insulting me for no reason.
It's awful. Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Their car, and I saw the couple on this car arguing,
Yeah?
and
Got distracted.
distracted, and I kind of like saw the car moving, and boom, I hit him.
See, that's a good one. That's good. You got distracted by the couple arguing in the car.
An argument. Yep.
Perfect.
The thing is that the van.
You weren't driving with my car, were you?
I was driving.
And that's you?
Yeah.
All right.
So like over here was a candlelight visual. It was at a gas station.
Okay.
There was a lot going on.
Let's use this as the gas station.
Okay. There was candles, there was news vans, there was a lot going on over here. I was coming up over a hill. The light was green. The car was black. The truck was black. And when I came down, this car was stopped looking at all this. And I was looking at the light and the car was black at night. And then boom!
Smashed him into the...
Like that.
Gotcha.
Was my car, and then the hood went up like that.
I believe it. Right on.
That was that.
Perfect. Thanks.
You just filmed that?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so it's just gonna require 3.
Okay. I have more too.
Okay, this is good. So, do you want, like, can my hands be in the shot?
Totally, yeah, they have to be.
Okay. So we're coming along this way. Buddy waves. Doesn't see that these cars had stopped and just.
Perfect.
Take care, man.
Thank you. Stop light.
No, she was waiting to make a left turn,
Okay.
and I was driving down this windy bayou road in Louisiana, and I came around a turn, and I tried to slow down, and I didn't slow down fast enough, and I bumped right into her.
Awesome. Perfect. I mean, I'm sorry that happened.
All cars around here. This is my car. I have a white truck. There's a car in front of me.
Okay.
It rained for the first time, so the roads were slippery. And I got too close, and I slammed on my brakes, and I hit the car behind me. How's that?
Piece of cake. Thank you. It's perfect.
Yeah.
The stroller
sure would have been nice. No.
Car accident? She just got ruined the
So you have to tell the whole story.
Okay, so I was waiting to turn, and this car was behind me.
Okay.
And then he said he was looking at the car turning onto this road, and he just...
He forgot to look forward.
Yeah, I don't know. And then we pulled over.
Remember the one we saw with the light in the car?
Perfect,
Thank you. Okay, I'll just take this one.
Why not this
A single car accident.
No, yeah, it was just me.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah.
Not go with the Subi.
Yeah. There was actually another car in front, but anyway, I was pulling up and the light just turned red, and then I actually reached down to get my phone, and then I hit this car, and it went off to the side.
Did it hit this car?
No, it didn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just. Awesome. That's perfect.
It's pretty minor, but
It is, but.
I learned my lesson.
What's your lesson?
No distractions.
Right on.
I drive a wagon, so I'll use this vehicle. She was driving a truck. There was this vehicle, and then there was this vehicle.
All right.
And the light turned green. So when this vehicle was moving forward, these two vehicles moved at the same time, causing causing a crash.
I see. So he was like, oh, traffic's going, I'll just cruise into this car in front of me.
Pretty much. These two vehicles moved at the same time, causing me to... Oh, that works.
You can hit him, it's okay.
That's what happened though. She crashed into me when this happened, so these vehicles went off. That's my only accident.
Nice.